Hi, my name's Ali and this is my sweet shop Losin Lush. I've been open now for about 5 years. I think my greatest achievement was actually opening the shop of my dreams. I'd planned to have my own shop many years ago. I grew up in a little sweet shop, a family concern in Aberystwyth, and I always wanted to have a go myself. I only have a small budget. Everything goes back into the shop at the moment. I use Facebook a lot to keep people up to date. When I first had my idea about opening the shop, I made a business plan, which was very useful, and I took it along to my bank, and they helped me to work out whether I could start up, and then they gave me some good ideas and a business loan. I was very determined not to take too much of a loan on because there was no other help, and I wanted to make it that I didn't have a great loan to pay back. I can't compete with boxes of chocolates at the supermarket prices, so I make something a little different. I make little love bomb of sweets and wrap them in something pretty and eye-catching. So I like to combine selling something but with giving something back too. So I think offering good quality and changing what you have on the shelves frequently, and also being open as many hours as you can.